Experiment 6 Measurement of blood glucose, God-Pod method. Designed by Romeo. What is blood glucose? Clinically speaking, blood glucose means the glucose in blood. Generally speaking, fasting blood glucose level is constant for healthy people. 3. Understand its clinical significance. Aim. 1. Master the principle of God-Pod method. 2. Learn how to do it. 3. Understand its clinical significance. High sensitivity, good stability. God-Pod. High accuracy. High sensitivity, good stability. Why didn't we choose glucose oxidase peroxidase method, God-Pod, to measure blood glucose? Principle quinonium and gluconic acid, GOD, glucose O2H2O2. POD. 4NH3. Antipyrine. H2O. H2O2. Plus. Quinonium. The absorption peak of quinonium is 500 nanometers. Generation amount of quinonium is proportional to the content of glucose. The glucose concentration in the sample can be calculated using the standard comparison method. Equipment test tube, 1.5 times 5 cm times 3, piped, 2 ml times 1, washing ear ball. Micropipette, 20 microliters. Centrifuge tube 10 ml times 2. Water bath. Reagents glucose measurement kit. The glucose standard solution, 5.55 mmol/L. Sample fresh serum. Operation steps 1. Sample processing 37C water bath it for 15 minutes. Draw blood 3 to 5 ml. Extract the supernatant. Centrifuge the blood. For 10 minutes, 3000 revolutions per minute. 2. Use 3 small test tubes to add reagent according to table below. No. Reagent. Blank tube. Standard tube. Sample tube. DD water, microliter. 10-A. Standard glucose, microliter. Serum samples, microliter. Enzyme solution, milliliter. 1.5-3. After mix reagents for each tube, 37C water bath for 30 minutes, then use half a centimeter cuvette to measure their absorption value at 500 nanometers wavelength. Write down the data and then calculate them by Lambert-Beer law. Calculation. Write down the data and then calculate them by Lambert-Beer law. A sample. Standard. Sample equals times a standard. Standard equals 5.55 mmol/L. Range of normal value 3.896.11 mmol/L. Clinical significance. 1. Hyperglycemia. Glucose concentration greater than 7.0 mmol/L. For example, diabetes. 2. Hypoglycemia. Glucose concentration less than 2.8 mmol/L. For example, limosis.